Today we will be showing you how we made a vanilla ice cream that satisfies the recommended macronutrients for a standard meal. Our product is targeted to people who are calorically deficient in a hospital setting. In our control recipe, we used 450 grams of heavy whipping cream, 480 grams of half and half, 10 grams of vanilla extract, and 170 grams of white sugar. Over the course of our experiment, we added 4 egg yolks and 165 grams of Vanilla Core Power High Protein Shake Elite. Over time, we decreased the amount of half and half to 120 grams and decreased heavy whipping cream to 170 grams. Both of these changes were made to reduce the fat content of our ice cream. We chose this specific protein milk because it contained less fat than the heavy whipping cream and half used in the control recipe. We chose this over similar products due to its mild artificial vanilla flavor and increased protein. The inclusion of heavy whipping cream and half in the product contributes to a high fat content, which helps to create small ice crystals and a creamy texture. Only the egg yolks were added to the recipe to increase protein and fat. The whites were not used because of their high water and lower fat contents, which would have created larger ice crystals and an icy texture. For the same reason, it was important to fully dissolve the white sugar into the egg yolks. Tempering the egg mixture prevented the scrambling of the eggs when they were added back into the hot milks. The mixture was then heated to at least 170 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure proper cooking of the egg yolks. The base was cooled to 35 degrees Fahrenheit in order to decrease the time that it spent in the ice cream maker. Faster cooling also contributed to the formation of smaller ice crystals in our product. Over the weeks, we observed that our product became more yellow, the pH decreased, the consistency varied a lot, and the sugar content decreased. Churning is important in this process for several reasons, such as air incorporation, decreasing freezing time, and ensuring a homogeneous texture. We created this product to cater to people who are calorically deficient due to illness, disability, or restricting preferences. These are people who need sufficient macronutrients in a condensed and easy version. At the end of each week, sensory evaluations were conducted to judge our product's appearance, smell, and taste. We hope moving forward to collect more data regarding the public's perception of our product.